How to make your Twitter account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can make your Twitter account private, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make our Twitter account private, you have to go ahead and first launch the Twitter app, then tap on your profile picture from the top left, and then you want to come to settings and support, and now you want to come to settings and privacy. Over here you'll see all these options, so just go to the one that says privacy and safety, and here you'll find the option called audience and tagging at the top. So just tap on audience and tagging and make sure to turn on this toggle right next to protect your tweets. What this does is that only your followers will be able to view your tweets, which means in other words your Twitter account has been set to private and only people whom you approve as a follower will be able to view your current tweets on Twitter. And that's all it takes to make your Twitter account private. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.